Before scrapping the shell, make sure you take out all the valuable plastic, like this one for example. Sits on these clips here, which you basically need to push in like this, and then the clip breaks, you need new ones. So then it all nicely comes off. Look at that. Take this one out as well, same kind of shit. A couple more. Oh yeah, something here as well. Is that a screw? Okay, no. Oh no, that's another clip here. So when taking the bumper off, remember there are clips here. So release them like this. You can't pull them, but you might break some, so it's better to release all the clips under here first. And kind of pull it forward on yourself. Make sure that none of these clips break. Not bad. Okay, now we're gonna take out the bumper. Getting dark now, so need to hurry up. So yeah, it's literally these two bolts here and these two bolts here, I think. Might be mistaken, but I think that is it. Okay, these two bolts are out, but obviously this is not it, because I think it's also tightened in there. So tomorrow we're gonna take all this off. Once you've released your bumper from inside, you need to take off all these arches, and I think there's gonna be a couple more bolts in there, but let's just see what's under there. I can't remember now, so just release everything that you can see. There is one more here as well, don't forget that one. Take out the shocks while you're here as well. I think these are fucked, to be honest with you. We'll have a look. So once you've unscrewed it, you just push it and it will come out. Don't forget all this lovely stuff in here to take out. Probably fuel pump in there somewhere as well. The one in the tank, so don't leave anything for scrappers. So voila, it's literally then these 4 bolts in here, and then a couple of screws in there, and then you can take off your nice bumper. Oh. Fuel caps can go for some money too, so don't forget to take this off. Probably again I don't have a fucking screwdriver. Here you go. What the fuck? Yeah, just literally lift it off like this. Also, don't forget all these fixtures and fittings. These get broken very often, and people buy them. So make sure you take them off. And also, all these clips, they get broken all the time, and probably you'll need them as well. So don't leave them for these scavengers on your car. Take them all off.